Iran is burning. America is threatening. And right in the middle of this geopolitical storm stands India. One wrong move and the entire power balance of West Asia could shift. The real question is, will India stand with Iran or bow to US pressure? If you want to understand global power games, diplomacy, and real geopolitics beyond headlines, hit the subscribe button right now. Hello and welcome to episode 21 of the Diplomacy Talks. Today, we decode one of India's most complex and strategic relationships, India-Iran ties. India and Iran share more than just diplomatic relations. This is a civilizational partnership. The relationship was formally established in 1950 with the signing of the Friendship Treaty on 15th March. Iran was among the first countries to establish diplomatic ties with independent India. The partnership gained momentum in April 2001 when Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee visited Iran and signed the Tehran Declaration. This was followed by Iranian President Syed Mohammad Khatami's visit to India in 2003, resulting in the New Delhi Declaration, further strengthening the cooperation. In May 2016, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Iran marked a turning point. A joint statement titled Civilizational Connect, Contemporary Context was issued and 12 MOUs were signed. India, Iran, and Afghanistan also signed a trilateral agreement on trade, transport, and transit. When President Hassan Rouhani visited India in February 2018, another joint statement was released towards prosperity through greater connectivity. The message was clear. India and Iran were thinking long term. Fast forward to today, and Iran is once again in global headlines. Widespread anti-government protests have rocked the country. The situation escalated after US President Donald Trump openly threatened military intervention, repeatedly urging protesters to take over state institutions. The Iranian government responded with a brutal crackdown. Thousands were reportedly killed and a total internet blackout was imposed. Amid the chaos, several Indian nationals were safely evacuated back home. This internal crisis gave the US an opportunity to escalate pressure on Iran, not through bombs but through economic isolation. Instead of targeting Iran directly, Washington expanded its tariff-based economic strategy, aiming to choke Iran's trade links. But here's the twist. India is one of Iran's most important trade partners. India has consistently been among Iran's top 5 trading partners. Major Indian exports include rice, tea, sugar, pharmaceuticals, electrical machinery, man-made fibers, and artificial jewelry. In return, India imports dry fruits, chemicals, glassware, and more from Iran. Until 2019, Iran was one of India's largest crude oil suppliers. But everything changed when the US withdrew from the JCPOA nuclear deal and imposed secondary sanctions. Under heavy pressure, India was forced to halt Iranian oil imports. One of India's biggest strategic stakes in Iran is the Chabahar port. This port is India's gateway to Central Asia and a direct counter to China's Belt and Road Initiative. In May 2024, India signed a 10-year contract committing $120 million to terminal equipment and extending a $250 million credit line for infrastructure development. Chabahar serves 3 key objectives: bypassing Pakistan to access Afghanistan and Central Asia, reducing dependence on the Suez Canal via the international North-South transport corridor, establishing India's presence near the strategically vital Gulf of Oman. Media reports recently claimed that India may scale down its operations at Chabahar. However, the Government of India has clarified that on 28 October 2025, the US Treasury issued a letter granting a conditional sanctions waiver. This waiver remains valid until 26 April 2026, and India is currently in discussions with the US to manage this arrangement. India-Iran relations are now entering a new and sensitive phase. Both the countries have completed 75 years of diplomatic relations. This timing is crucial because India holds the BRICS presidency this year and will host the upcoming summit. Iran became a full BRICS member in 2024, adding another layer of complexity. India must now carefully balance its strategic partnership with Iran, its economic and diplomatic ties with the US, and the internal dynamics of the BRICS. The coming days will define the future of India Iran relations. Until then, keep following Sawal That Matters for deep, unbiased geopolitical insights and tell us in the comments which country should we decode in the next episode next Sunday. Thank you.